Hello students. In exercise 2, first question is check whether values of x and y given in A and B are solution of given equations. A is equal to x equal to 2 and y equal to 5. B in B x equal to -1 and y equal to 3. There are values of x and y. There are four equations. They are x plus y equal to 7, second 2x plus y 5y equal to 13, third 2x minus 3y equal to -11, and fourth 5x plus 3y equal to 4. First equation is x plus y equal to 7, x equal to 2, y equal to 5. On substituting the value of x is equal to 2 and y equal to 5 in LHS equal to x plus y. So at the place of x we put 2 and at the place of y we put 5. You will get answer 7 and RHS is given 7. This show A is solution of equation first. Then B equal to x equal to -1, y equal to 3. Same process we applied on substituting at first write equation equal to x plus y equal to 7. On putting the value of x equal to -1 and y equal to 3 in LHS equal to x plus y. So at the place of x we put -1 and at the place of y we put 3. You will get 2, but RHS is given 7. This show that B is not solution of equation first. In second equation is 2x plus 5y equal to 13. So LHS equal to 2x plus 5y. On putting the value of x equal to 2 and y equal to 5 in LHS equal to 2x plus 5y. At the place of x we put 2, at the place of y we put 5. 2 2s are 4 plus 5 5s are 25. Answer will be 29. Since RHS is equal to 13. This show that LHS is not equal to RHS. So A is not a solution of equation second. Again, B, x equal to -1, y equal to 3. Equation is equal to 2x plus 5y equal to 13. On putting the value of, on substituting the value of x equal to -1 and y equal to 3 in equation in LHS of equation second. So LHS is 2x plus 5y. So at the place of x we put -1. So 2 into -1 plus 5 into, at the place of y we put 3. So -2 plus 15 is equal to 13. This show that RHS is given 13. This show that LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, B is a solution of equation second. In question number second, check which one of A or B is a solution for given equation. You have to do same like first equation is 2x plus 5y equal to 1, 2x plus 3y equal to 3. So first 2x plus 5y is equal to 1. This is equation first. 2x plus 3y is equal to 3, equation second. Ax equal to 3, y equal to -1. On substituting the value of x equal to 3 and y equal to -1 in LHS of equation first. So equation first is 2x plus 5y is equal to 1. LHS equal to 2x plus 5y. So at the place of x we put 3 and at the place of y we put -1. So 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So RHS equal to 1. Then on substituting the value of x equal to 3 and y equal to -1 in LHS of equation second. Equation second is 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. So LHS equal to 2x plus 3y. At the place of x we put 3 and at the place of y we put -1, we get 6 minus 3 is equal to 1. So you will see that A satisfied both equation. Here LHS equal to RHS, and here also LHS equal to RHS. So hence A is a solution. A is a solution of given equation. Now I will check B is a solution of equation first or not. So I have written equation first again, first question again. In first question there are two equations, and V is x equal to 1/2 and y equal to 1/3. So on substituting the value of x equal to 1/2 and y equal to 1/3 in LHS of equation first. First equation is 2x plus 5y is equal to 1. LHS equal to 2x plus 5y equal to, at the place of x we put 1/2, then put plus sign, then 5, and at the place of y we put 1/3. 2 cancelled, and 1 plus 5/3. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8/3. But RHS is given 1. This show that LHS is not equal to RHS. Now I go to second equation. On substituting the value of Ax equal to 1/2 and y equal to 1/3 in LHS of equation second. Second equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. LHS equal to 2x plus 3y. So at the place of x we put 1/2 plus 3. At the place of y we put 1/3. 2 cancel, 3 cancel. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This show that RHS is given 3. This show that LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence B is not a solution of इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. इसी तरह से आप और को भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो. पहले हम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में ए के वैल्यूज रखेंगे, देन सेकंड में ए के वैल्यूज रखेंगे. दोनों को सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए, सिर्फ एक को नहीं. बी जो है आपका किसी को भी सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा, ना इक्वेशन फर्स्ट को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है, ना इक्वेशन सेकंड को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है. कभी कभार ऐसा हो सकता है कि एक को सेटिस्फाई करे, दूसरे को सेटिस्फाई ना करे. तो यदि एक को सेटिस्फाई करेगा, दूसरे को नहीं सेटिस्फाई करेगा, तब भी वो सॉल्यूशन नहीं कहलाएगा. Third question is solve the given equations. You can use whichever method you want. You are free to choose any methods to solve it. First equation is x minus y equal to minus 1 and second equation is 3x minus 2y equal to 12. So I using substitution method. So first equation is x minus y equal to minus 1, then x equal to minus 1 plus y. Transposing minus y to RHS, we get minus 1 plus y. This is equation third. Now putting the value of x is equal to minus 1 plus y in equation second. Second equation is 3x minus 2y is equal to 12. So at the place of x we put minus 1 plus y. So 3 minus 1 plus y minus 2y is equal to 12. So multiplying minus 1 plus y is y3 minus 3 plus 3y minus 2y is equal to 12. Transposing minus 3 to RHS and subtracting 2y from 3y, we get 3y minus 2y is equal to 12 plus 3. Since here it is a negative, then it becomes positive when I transpose it to RHS. So subtracting 2y from 3y, we get y and 15. So value of y is equal to 15. Now putting the value of y in equation third. Equation third is x equal to minus 1 plus y. This is equation third. So at the place of y we put 15. So x equal to minus 1 plus y. So 15 is equal to 14. So x equal to 14 and y equal to 15. This is a solution of the given equation. Second question is x minus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 4y equal to 6. To solve this equation I use elimination method. According to the rule of elimination method, we make equal coefficient of x or y. So multiplying equation first by 2 and equation second by 1. यहाँ पर x का कोफिशिएंट कुछ नहीं है, 1 है। यहाँ x का कोफिशिएंट 2 है, तो इक्वेशन फर्स्ट को हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इक्वेशन 2 को हम 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। सो वी गेट 2x प्लस 4y, 2x minus 4y is equal to 10. This is equation third. Now 2x minus 4y is equal to 6. Here you will see that in first equation we get 2x minus 4y, in second equation we get 2x minus 4y. If we subtract, we get 0 is equal to 4. This show these equations have no solution. You can solve it by graphical method. I will teach you graphical method in next video. In question number 3, equations are x plus y equal to 6, x equal to y plus 2. सो सॉल्यूशन में x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 6, दिस इज फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, x इक्वल टू वाई प्लस 2, सो x माइनस वाई इक्वल टू 2, ट्रांसपोजिंग y to LHS we get x minus y equal to 2, this is equation second. Now I am using elimination method to solve this. In elimination method you know that we multiply coefficient of any one x or y to each equation to make them equal, but here you will see that in equation first x and y given and equation second x minus y given, it means both coefficient of both variables are equal, so we do not need to multiply. So x plus y is equal to 6, equation first, x minus y is equal to 2, this is equation second. Adding first and second equation, so x plus y is equal to 6, x minus y equal to 2, y cancelled, 2x equal to 8, so x equal to 8 upon 2, 4. Putting the value of x in equation first. You are free to choose any one equation to put the value. I use first equation, x plus y is equal to 6, this is the first equation. At the place of x we put 4, 4 plus y equal to 6, so y equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, hence x equal to 4 and y equal to 2.